Hello, my name is Bill, and today I will be giving a tutorial of the first question of the Caribou coding contest, senior contest. It is called reversal. Statement. Write a recursive algorithm to reverse a string. Input. Input consists of a line containing a string of upper and or lowercase letters. The string will be less than or equal to 100 characters long. Output. Output the reversed version of the string. Camel case. Reversal will be ESA capital CLEMAC. There are built-in methods to reverse strings, for example, Python string point reverse or C++ reverse, but we highly encourage you to write a recursive algorithm. So I'll be showing you both ways to complete it. Okay, so we are going to create a new file. Obviously, we're going to name it a senior 1 because that's a senior contest question, and we're going to make A the input, and then we can just simply do this. So what this means is that it reverses all the characters in A, the brackets with dots and then a -1. It just means it will reverse A's order, and then we're going to print B. Hello will become Ola, and camel case becomes academic. Now, this is the easy way to do it, but it states here that they want us to do it in a recursive algorithm. So we're going to create our own function. Define reversal func s if len s is 0. This just means when it ends. Then return nothing. And then else basically means that it's not ending. Return s -1. So when it's like s brackets -1, -1 just means the last character. -2 means the second last character. -3 means the character 2 before the last character. So now it's just the last character plus reversal func s -1. So this is just everything but the last character. So now we'll put A equals input, and then we will activate our function A, and then print B. And as you can see, if we just put camel case, it will run it exec lemma. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends. Like and subscribe. Bye.